Budget like that girl. Why budgeting is your superpower. Money without a plan, that's gone girl energy. It disappears before you even know where it went. But a budget, that's confidence, that's control, and that's calm. And no, budgeting is not restriction. It's actually permission to spend. It's giving yourself the freedom to enjoy what you love without guilt because you already have a plan. So let's talk about how to budget like that girl, the one who knows exactly where her money goes and always feels in control. A budget is simply a money plan you make before you spend, and it covers four areas: income, what you earn; expenses, what you spend; savings, what you keep; and investments, what will grow. And when you see these clearly, you stop feeling like your money is slipping through your fingers. Now, one of the easiest frameworks to start with is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your money goes to needs, like rent, groceries, bills. 30% goes to wants, such as Sephora hauls, brunch dates, Pilates classes, whatever makes you happy. And 20% goes to savings and investments, the money that builds your rich girl future. It's not about being strict, it's about balance. And if you spend a little more on wants one month, you know where to adjust in the other month. So, how do you actually make this work? Here are four steps. Step one, you track every single expense for 30 days. Every coffee, every Uber, every random Amazon order, write it down. You cannot fix what you don't save. Step two, categorize your spending into needs versus wants. Rent is a need, grocery basics are a need, that €8 smoothie, definitely a want. Step three, set limits and prioritize. If you notice you're spending hundreds on subscriptions you don't even use, cut them down. If you love brunch, keep it in your budget, but plan for it. Prioritize what matters to you. And step four, automate your savings. Pay yourself first. Don't wait to see what's left at the end of the month, because let's be real, there's usually nothing left. And even if it's just €50, automate it. That way, saving becomes very effortless. And don't worry, there are plenty of tools that make budgeting easier. You can use Mint for simple tracking, YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, if you want a more hands on system. There's also Monzo, if you like smart banking with built in saving pots. Or you can also use Excel and Notion if you're one of those organized queens who love custom setups. Now, here's where people usually fail. They underestimate small purchases. That daily €4 latte, that adds up to 120 a month. They forget to plan for fun and then overspend because they feel restricted. Or they don't adjust their budget for real life. Some months are expensive, obviously, such as holidays, during birthdays, unexpected trips. That's normal, but we just need to plan for it. And please never say, I'll save what's left. That's the number one mistake. You have to flip it around. Save first and spend what's left. So, what does budgeting actually give you? Three things. Number one, peace of mind. You're not panicking about bills anymore. Two, guilt-free spending because fun money is already planned. And three, a long-term glow-up. Your savings and investments quietly grow in the background, building your dream life. So this is the action plan you must follow. Track your expenses, sort them into needs and wants, set limits and be honest with yourself, and automate your savings. Because budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about building the life you actually want with less stress, less guilt, and way more confidence. And that's how you budget like that girl. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with your besties who need to hear this. This is the Pink Portfolio, Finance with Finesse, where we turn money talk into your new favorite accessory. Catch you in the next one. Bye.